Good morning, children. This is your English teacher here. We are going to learn our first lesson, the continuation part of your previous class. Lesson name is Don, D-O-N, Don, Q-U-I-X-O-T-E, Don Quixote and the Windmills. Don Quixote and the Windmills. He is the central character of the lesson. Who? Don Quixote. Central character means the main character. And what is his relation along with this windmills? Why the lesson named as Don Quixote and the Windmills? We shall see now. This lesson is based on the adventure. We have seen in the previous class that what are the 4 things which you like to carry along with you whenever you are going to an adventure, isn't it? I have selected the 4 things. Those were torch, compass, binoculars and a phone, isn't it? So let's see the text. Who are the people here? He is the main character of the lesson, that is Don Quixote. One more is the next person. His name is Sancho Panza. His name is Sancho Panza. So about them, what is this lesson? Let's see. In the text, T-E-X-T, text, that we are about to read, R-E-A-D, read, the central character, central means the main character, C-H-A-R-A-C-T-E-R, character, D-O-N, Don, Q-U-I-X-O-T-E, Don Quixote, I-M-A-G-I-N-E-S, imagines that he is one of the brave, B-R-A-V-E, brave, knights, K-N-I-G-H-T-S, knights, that we read about in stories. He acts like a brave man and dreams of having adventures, A-D-V-N-T-U-R-E-S, adventures. His imagination makes him find adventure where there is no adventure at all. This leads to funny situations. What he is thinking that he is a man called Don Quixote. He is a very imaginative person and he thinks that he is very brave man. And he always imagines that he finds an adventure where there is no adventure at all. And he likes to act more brave man. Instead he is a coward, opposite of a brave man. He is not as much as bold as he is showing in this character. So what has given? Let's see. One day Don Quixote decided to set off in search of adventure. But first, he went off to talk to Sancho Panza. Sancho was a foolish man who lived with his wife and children. Sancho Panza, get ready. I need a squire to share my adventures and help me on the journey. Will you go with me? Here, the word called set off. Set off, it means to start a journey. So what is he saying? Who decided? Don Quixote. Don Quixote decided to go on a adventure. To have a adventure, he decided. But is he going alone? No, he is not going alone. He decided to take someone along with him. He thinks that he is a very brave knight. K-N-I-G-H-T, knight, means a trained soldier. When he decided to go on an adventure, he thought to take the help of a squire called Sancho Panza. Who was Sancho Panza? Did he help him? Do you think that he will come along with him to help him on his journey? Let's see. What did he ask? He asked to come him along with him. Sancho Panza, get ready. I need a squire to share my adventures and help me on the journey. Will you go with me? Who said this? Don Quixote. Then what was the reply to this of the Sancho Panza? Let's see. This is Sancho Panza, the one more character of the lesson. But sir, I am only a poor laborer. And how can I leave my family behind? What he is saying? I am very poor man. I am very poor man. I can't leave my family alone. As a poor laborer, he have to feed his total family alone. So he is saying that I can't leave my family alone. So to this, what was the reply of this Don Quixote? Don Quixote was not one to back down. He is not the person to stop. Once he decided his journey or his adventure, he will continue the journey. He is not the person to give up for anything else, for small or silly reasons. What did he say? We will defeat. W-E-V will defeat many knights. K-N-I-G-H-T-S, knights. Gather. G-A-T-H-E-R, gather many riches. R-I-C-H-E-S, riches, and conquer. C-O-N-Q-U-E-R, conquer many kingdoms. K-I-N-G, king, D-O-M-S, doms, kingdoms. I-N-N-R-E-T-U-R-N, return. In return, for your services. S-E-R-V-I-C-E-S, services. I will make you the governor. G-O-V-E-R-N-O-R, governor. O-F of A-N, island. I-S-L-A-N-D, land. S is silent here. Island. Just think of how G-R-A-N-D, grand, that would be. Island. What is the island? Island. Island is nothing but the place which is at the center and which is surrounded with all the sides on water. This is called an island. Island is a place which is surrounded on all the sides. Four sides or all sides with water. What did Sancho promised? What did Don Quixote promise? Don Quixote promised to the Sancho Panza that if you come with me, we will defeat many knights. Knights are nothing but the people or the soldiers of higher rank. Those who are well trained, we will defeat them and will gather all the kingdoms. Among that kingdoms, I will promise that I will give you an island. And I will make you the governor of an island. This was promised by Don Quixote to the Sancho Panza. As he is the poor laborer, what he thought that Don Quixote will surely make him the governor of an island, and he agreed. If your honor, your honor, your HONOUR honor will promise, PROMISE, promise me this, I will, GLADLY, gladly serve you. Gladly means happily. Glad means happy. So, what the man he promised? Who promised? Don Quixote promised. Promised to whom? To Sancho Panza that if you come with me, we will defeat the number of knights and will gather many kingdoms. Among those kingdoms, I will make you the governor of an island. Island is nothing but the place which is surrounded with all sides on water. Now that Don Quixote had a squire. Squire is an assistant. Squire, an assistant to a king. Nothing, 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 COULD, could. It is not could, L is silent here, could. COULD, could stop him from having, HAVING, having grand, GRAND, grand adventures. But there was a small problem. There was a small problem. Now who has? Now Don Quixote had a squire. Who was the squire? The squire was the Sancho Panza. He had a squire, but he also agreed to go with Don Quixote. But he had a small problem. What's that problem? Sir, I cannot run very fast and I have no horse to ride upon. May I follow you on my donkey? What is this Sancho saying? I cannot run fast. As he is a fat man, he cannot run fast. And he also don't have a horse like this Sancho. Don Quixote had a horse, but Sancho did not have a horse with him. He don't have it. He had only one, that is a donkey. So he asked the permission to Don Quixote that, shall I follow you on my donkey? What's the reply of him? None, NONE, none of my books tell me that squires ride donkeys. But yes, you may bring the animal along, ALONG, along. Once, 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 we find a dis, DIS, RESPECTFUL, respectful, KNIGHT, night, disrespectful knight, we shall defeat him and take his horse. Until then, you can ride this donkey. For this, Don Quixote agreed, and he said that you can follow along with your donkey till we find a horse, till we reach any kingdom where we can defeat any king. From there we can hire a horse. From there you can ride on your horse. Till then you can come with me along your donkey. Who said this? He said. Who is he? Don Quixote. Said to whom? Said to Sancho Panza. He said to Sancho Panza. The remaining part we shall deal in our next class. Until then, bye. Thank you.